Hi, 2000 Deals here. Going to give you a brief demonstration on the Bell & Howell Ringmaster autofocus slide projector with built-in cassette player. Today's date is July 20th, 2018. On the projector itself, on-off switch, continuous cassette on-off switch, audio cassette player, volume control, slide forward and reverse, frame filter, and in the back corner, slide select, which allows you to pop a slide out if you don't want to use it, focus control, tray holder, sound slide sync, which allows the slide presentation to be lined up with a cassette player, slide advance, which is a remote, headphone jack, on the back side is the cable wrap for the power cord, model number, serial number, the little door you open to project out the rear, and on the last side is the external 1/4-inch jack for audio speaker. The handle is built in on the top. Alright, we're going to give a brief demonstration on the projector running. Focus the slide. Once you focus, the autofocus should take over and should automatically focus each and every slide. Forward. Reverse. And then on the back side, open the hatch. Again, focus the slide. Forward. Reverse. That's pretty much it. Any questions on the slide projector, don't hesitate to shoot me an email. Again, thank you for watching my brief video.